That's a big one. It's a big one. Got him. Football. Look at that. Look at that. It's a good one. Get your money for it. That's a nice one. Mm-hmm. Get back in there. See if there's any more. I told you, they've probably seen the other one enough. They're like, we've got a... Yeah. He's not a giant, but we'll take him. It's funny. Oh, what are you doing in there? Now take your time. He ain't going nowhere. That's what fishing's about, for having fun. He ain't going nowhere. There you go. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Nice. That's a pretty. That's a beauty. Take your time. That's what it's all about, having some fun. Let them wear out. Yeah. Get that tug. Look at him go. Look at him go. Look at him go. Just let him wear out. He ain't going nowhere. Another jumper. They're still here. Now they're starting to dance. See, they warmed up. They warmed up. They're dancing now. They're warmed up. Good times on the Potomac. They're warmed up now. Oh, there we go. You got some shoulders on her. Yeah. Whoop. Let him up. Let him up. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Pick that one.
It's a healthy one right there.
Yeah. Nice. Take him.
Oh yeah, beauty. Let him up. Oh, he's swim away from the net. Come back over here.
There you go. Oh.
It's a good one. Uh-oh. Technical difficulty. There we go.
Is that the one you're looking for?
It's alright. Tighten up the drag a little bit. Tighten up. Get him.
Come on in here, little man.
Tighten up the drag a little bit. Give it one more click. Just one click, not too tight.
Come on in, little decaf. Decaf right there.
He's probably a 5-pounder, you just don't know it. I bet you.
Know that.
It's a big one. Not a big one, but it's a good one. Not a big one, but it's a good one.
Oh, no. Jumping deeper, deeper. I mean, it's not that small either.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Thank you, sir.
Easy. Let him go. Let him grow.